Hi everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA. Just going to give you an update on the butterfly hut here at Manhattan Beach Botanical Garden. So they had an old shed that was here, it's 25 years. Manhattan Beach Botanical Garden is now officially a quarter of a century old. Native garden 25 years ago. Nobody was doing this, cutting edge. Well anyway, the termites got to it and so we had to tear it down, and so we built this gorgeous butterfly hut, but we're in the middle of landscaping the outside of the Manhattan Beach Botanical Garden butterfly hut. So what happens is the roof actually is like a butterfly up on top, and so the water every night from the dew, it collects and it goes down into this pipe right here. What we're going to do is we have a 50-gallon rainwater catchment system, a rain barrel so to speak. Water is going to come from here, it's going to go in that, but 50 gallons is going to fill it pretty quickly. So what happens is, or when it rains, it'll fill up in like 1 minute. So we're going to put a pipe at the top, so once it fills up, the pipe is going to empty into the sump pump here. There's a pump inside here, and then that extra water is going to go to, I don't know, it's either 300 or 400 gallon tank that we're going to locate over here, and then we'll be able to use that water for watering the plants here at the Manhattan Beach Botanical Garden. So that's what we actually have, a pipe going all the way from over there all the way to this pipe here. So once we put that big bad boy in, we're going to put it there, and then we're going to run water, and it's going to go on top, boom, it's going to fill it. And we're also doing a gray water system. We have a sink that's inside of here, so when you wash your hands, it'll pop out this black pipe here, and it'll actually shoot out to the trees at the lower elevation. It's going to be gravity fed. Really cool stuff, cutting edge stuff that we didn't have access to 25 years ago. Mike from Enviroscape LA. When you think sustainability and native gardens, think Enviroscape LA and the Manhattan Beach Botanical Garden. Take care.